Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log into American Airlines Cargo account. To do so, firstly, you have to go to your preferred web browser. Here, I'm going to use Safari for now. Then, on the search box, search for www.aacargo.com and press enter. This will take you to the home page of American Airlines Cargo. Furthermore, to log in, you have to make sure you have an account in American Airlines Cargo. If you do have an account, then you may go to the login icon on the top right corner of your screen beside the alert icon. Once you click on the login icon, then you will be taken to a page where you have to enter your login credentials. Here, now you have to enter your user ID and your password. However, if you don't have an account yet, you may click on the Sign Up Now link right above the user ID text box. If you do have an account, then you may type in your user ID in the first text box. In the second, you may type in your password. Furthermore, if you need any help, you may click on the Need Help with Your Account link right below your password text box. Once you've filled in both your details correctly, then you may click on the Login button below. This is how you may easily log into your American Airlines Cargo account. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.